Hello, students. How are you? So, today we are going to study Introduction to Electrical Machines. So, this is one of the major course in electrical engineering, electrical machines. So, if you go to the industry, without machine, there is no industry, we can say like that. So, very important topic and very important course as a electrical engineering students. You should know the type of electrical machines, how it is working, and what is the applications, what is the castatics, what is the structure of the machine, and everything is very important as a electrical engineer. So now we are going to today study introduction about the electrical machines. This is a part of the our level 4 course. Okay. Good. First, you have to understand before we enter to the electrical machine topic, magnetic concept. The magnetic concept, it is not new, and it is already we study fundamental magnetism from the physics. So this slide is the basic information about the magnetic field line and what are the types of magnets are there. And if you see the figure A, it is, we can say, U-shaped magnet. So between this magnet N and S, north pole and south pole, and these poles, the flux lines are transferred. So the flux density is induced here. Similarly, if you go to, this is the shape of the rod shaped magnet, and around the flux lines are there. And the another one, when we are small kids, what we do, we take a newspaper or some chart, paper chart, and we put the sand from the ground and put it in the paper. Then we make a magnetic action, and this is the for basic concept of a magnetic field. The another one is a bar magnet. This is all the physics lab they have. Okay, the magnet with the bar and N pole and S pole, and they teach you the basic information about the magnetic lines. So this already we studied in physics. So just you recall what is the magnetic concept, the magnetic field line. This is the basic information before we start the electrical machines. So the next slide, this is a right hand rule. This also we studied in physics. So the right hand rule and show the direction of the current and the B, okay, flux density. And so the direction of the current, okay, if you put the wire in grabbed with a thumb, so this is thumb indication of the current, and this is the around the finger, okay, this is we say B. In the same time, figure B, if the coil is grasped with the finger, so the position is the current, and the one cover the bar magnet, it is the our flux density is B. So this is the fundamental right hand rule and the magnetic concept. So now based on this concept and what we learn from the physics, the knowledge, we are going to study motor and generator concept. So what is motor and what is generator? These both are, it is working under the magnetic field interaction between the set of windings. Okay, so what is motor? So motor is a device, electrical device. It converts electrical energy to the mechanical energy. Means if you give the electrical energy as an input and you get the mechanical energy, okay, that we are using in our home, and many industry they are using motor for different applications. And what about the generator they are using in the power plant to generate the electricity? And what is the input of the energy is a mechanical, and the output is electrical energy. They are using in the power plant. Different type of power plant is available for different country. Okay, we can say hydroelectric power plant, nuclear power plant, and different power plant is there, gas, oil and gas power plant. Okay, the basic concept, they need input side is mechanical energy, and the output side it is in the, we get the output electrical energy. So this is the basic concept of the two machines. One is motor, another one is generator. These machines we can classify according to the supply. We can say AC motor and DC motor. Again, generator also we can say AC generator and DC generator. So what does it mean? AC generator, it generates the AC EMF in the output side, alternating. But DC generator, direct current EMF generator in the output side. We can study one by one today, and we move to the next one. The first one, it is AC generator. In the simple AC generator, the figure is given here. So it is the arrangement two magnet, the magnetic north pole and south pole, the pole, two poles, north and south poles, and this is the coil, single turn coil they are giving to you for show you for clear picture, and they connect the here slip ring. The slip ring, then they connect the load. So once this coil it is rotate by using mechanical energy, and the EMF is generated. This EMF flow through the slip ring, and through the brush we can take it out and we can use for the load, any type of load. Okay, so this is the picture diagram for the simple AC generator. Alternating induced EMF is generated from this machine. How it is working? So that dynamics part, I'm going to show you animation. In this animation, you see here for this animation, this is the north pole and south pole magnet, and this is the coil. It is rotate. It is rotate here. You can see this is the alternating EMF is generated. Okay, and so this is the magnet, and this is the coil, and this is the slip ring, and we can measure voltage how much is generated in the output side. Okay, I can show you step by step movement of this machine. It is you see here it is rotation of one, and this is the second turn. You can see the waveform, and this is the third step, and this is the fourth step. It's going to the negative part because alternating positive and negative side, and it is another step, this is another step, this is another step. So it's complete one full cycle. Next cycle again start the rotation of the machine generator, and it generate the alternating EMF for the next cycle. So this way is the generator rotate and is produce the alternating EMF. So we get this EMF from this slip ring, and the magnet, the brushes are connected, and from the output from the brush we can get the alternating EMF. So this is the simple concept how the AC generator generate the alternating EMF. You can see step by step. This is the step, next step, next step, next step, and step complete. Okay, if you go to the play, then very easy. You can see here this is the animation, the waveform it is rotate. We can get the alternating EMF here. This is a very nice animation. It is explained to us basic concept of alternating EMF how is generator from the alternator, we can say AC generator. Okay, so now we move to our slides. In the slide, we continue our slide.